song that we haven't sung anywhere else in the world. We want to release this song, which is called Momentum, live in Manila. Are you ready? I can see it coming, a wave of the power. You won't find me running, 'cause this is the hour. Oh, I am going deeper, places that I've never been. I believe for greater, see things I've never seen. Put your hands together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Our God is moving, and His love is unstoppable. So keep the party going, no stopping. Caught up in momentum, lift Him higher, lift Him higher, lift Him higher. We're gonna sing louder, sing it louder, sing it louder. I can feel it rising, a flood of His glory. His love is overwhelming, and I know it's drawing. So I'm gonna get deeper. So I am going deeper, places that I've never been. Places that I've never been. I believe for greater, to see things I've never seen. Yeah. Our God is moving, and His love is unstoppable. So keep the party going, no stopping. Caught up in momentum, lift Him higher, lift Him higher, lift Him higher. We're gonna sing louder, sing it louder, sing it louder. We'll never stop, no, we'll never stop. Giving praise to You. We lift You up, Lord, we lift You up. You make all things new, yeah. We never stop, no, we never stop. Giving praise to You. We lift You up, Lord, we lift You up. You make all things new, yeah. Come on, clap your hands. 1, 2. Our God is moving, and His love is unstoppable. Keep the party going, no stopping. Caught up in momentum, lift it higher, lift it higher, lift it higher. Yeah, we're gonna sing louder, sing it louder, sing it louder. Yeah, yeah.
Paano yung sayaw mo? Okay, nagre-record na ako. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nakakahiya ka. Thank you so much. So one more time, sorry. I did not press the video. Okay. La, sasayaw ka na ha. Mas maganda. Mas maganda. Oo, wag mo na sabihin. Okay. Okay na. Ayan, medyo nag-ano kami, dumampa.
So, bibilang ako ng 3. Pagka 1, 2, 3, sasaluhin mo yung flower. Tapos, pagkasalo mo, emote ka na, sayaw, amoy-amoy ng fruits. Tapos, 10 counts, oo. 10 counts, then hagis mo sa kabila yung flower, ha?
Pwedeng ganun ako maghagis.
Oh, pwede. Sure, sure. Okay, game na na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, emote. Okay, sayaw. Amoy-amoy ng fruits. Sige, amoy. Kailangan nating ulitin. Okay, game na.
Wala, naglaway na.
Okay, ay. Lalayo ka, hindi ganun. Sasayaw ka lang.
Ha? Wala?
Okay na.
Sorry.
Sige lang, game lang. Ibang step.
Ibang step.
Hagis mo na. Okay. Hagis mo na! Yan! Up! Dali! Sayaw na! Mga 10 counts na sayaw.
Napakadami ng tao. Escalator sa mall na lang.
Meron ba escalator daw?
Bukas pa ba yun?
Tarach lang yung kakonte. Yun. Yeah, ayos. So, dapat dun lang sa loob. Sayaw lang sa gitna.
Sa gitna!
Sa gitna lang. Sige ba?
Hindi ka na sa gitna.
Steady na sa gitna. Tapos, ihagis pabalik. Doon sa kabila.
Pero okay na, ganun lang matanda mo yan. Mahirap ang buhay ngayon. Proceed mo dito, oy.
Oh, ano? Game na?
Ayan bro, dali. Doon ka na sa gitna. Oh, 1. Okay. Ay, okay na. Balik.
Okay. Game, sayaw. Asa ka? Game na.
Okay na?
Oo.
Go.
Ihagis mo ulit.
1, 2, 3. Dali. Ayan na yung motor. Lagot yung motor.
Ano pa? Okay, game.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Ay, hindi.
To hold you. Sige pa, go pa. Okay. Hagis. Okay.
Ready?
Go. Okay na.
Look at the camera, Jacob. Go. One more.
Isa pa, sige lang.
Dito tulungan ako na lang siya.
Ay.
It's okay. One more time.
One more
Ready?
time. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Catch. Wow! Yes!
Okay.
Kasi nakapag-tape natin ito. Kakatch pa yan natin.
Buti na lang talaga kamo at yan ay plastic.
Ready?
Okay, game.
Go.
Oo. Okay. 2, 3, 4, sige 5, 6,
Ang haba naman.
7, 8.
Yay! Hagis!
Okay. Ano, game na ba? Sige, practice ka nga. Ano pa yung sayaw mo? Okay na yan. Sige. Okay. Ready? Go. Ibang step mo naman, ibahin mo. Ay, galing ah. Okay, ayos. Isang step pa. Tapos, pwede mo na ihagis ka eh. Okay.
Okay na?
Ano? Anong step mo? Okay lang kahit ano step.
Ngayon na lang. Isip na lang.
Okay, game na ka. Sabayan mo yung ano, beat. Running Man! Running Man! Oh, ayos ah. Okay, pwede mo na hagis sa kabila. Okay.
Tapos sa ganun, tapos agis mo pa ganun, diretso agis sa ating meron. Ready?
Ano, game?
Hindi ako sumasayaw. Ganito, pinapagawa nila. Ready?
Okay. Sige, wait ah.
Titingin ako doon, hindi.
Dito. Ayun ko.
Sa'yo ako titingin, sa'yo?
Oo, tapos diretso ka
Tapos
sa
ikaw
sa
hagis
camera.
mo doon.
Hindi, sayaw ka muna.
Pagka-receive mo ng flower, sayaw agad.
Tapos ihahagis mo.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, game.
Go. Pag saka ko hahagis, pag nakalabas.
Francie, labas ka lang. Titignan ko lang yung ano. Okay, game.
Shoot mo na ba?
Oo, naka-record na siya.
Kalabas niya saka ko hahagis.
Hindi, ihahagis mo muna.
Hagis mo na. Ready?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Ayos.
Bataan ko yan! Sa kabila.
Okay, hagis sa kabila. Ay, hindi kita.
Ulit siya.
Game. Masyadong malapit yata itay.
Tama lang yan.
Tama lang.
Cut mo na lang. Camera action.
Okay na?
Okay, game na. Ikakat ko na lang.
Ay, masyado na.
Okay, sige lang.
Malakas na.
Ikakat ko na lang.
Camera action.
Action.